Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be this makeup look. I'm going to be doing this makeup look for my birthday. So the day that you see this video is actually going to be my birthday. So I will be doing this video that night. Yeah. But yeah, so I wanted to show you guys what I'm going to do for my birthday. I'm not doing anything special. I'm turning 31, which isn't a fun age or anything. So I just wanted to do something simple, you know? But if you guys want to see how I got this look, then make sure you keep on watching. Also, don't forget that if you like this video, to make sure you give it a thumbs up at the end. And if you're not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload. And I think that's it. So let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm going to try to be using one palette, and that is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm going to try to stick to this as best as I could, just so that you guys can follow along and recreate this look. I am going to be using this little Tarte palette for a mirror, since the Jaclyn Hill palette doesn't have one, which is fine. So I'm going to go into the shade MFEO, and I'm going to start that as my transition shade. So it's literally 7:28. My birthday is at midnight, and I'm super excited. I don't mind getting older. I just feel like sometimes you're excited for a birthday and sometimes you're not. It's never the number that I worry about though, so. But by the way, I am turning 31 and I'm okay with it. I literally am so okay with it. All my girlfriends are like sad or scared to turn 30, and I'm like embracing everything. Like, you're never going to get younger, so why fight it? I'm going to go into the shade Buns, and I'm going to put that a little bit lower than the transition shade. I found out recently that I share this, I think I share anyway, the same birthday as Kathleen Lights. I mean, I know she's a lot younger, not a lot, she's a few years younger than me, but I got so excited because she's such an inspiration. I love watching her videos. She's so calm and she's literally so chill. I don't know, there's something about her that's just very appealing to watch and to like listen to. I love her accent. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Mocha. I'm dipping into a whole bunch of browns. I feel like I haven't done a warm look in a while. And I put that right into the crease. I feel like I haven't done a really super warm look in a little bit. I'm going to go into Soda Pop and try to just focus that on like the outer. Next, I'm going to take some concealer and cut the crease. You can literally use any concealer you want. But I learned this trick from Nicole Guerrero, so I've been obsessed with doing it lately. I'm going to take it halfway or 3/4 of the way in to do kind of like a half. Then tap out the excess. If there's too much product, it'll be all slippery and creasy. I'm going to take Crayon Apple in that palette. I'm not going to spray my brush at all, and I'm going to just tap it all over where that concealer is before it starts to crease. I need like a small, I guess this brush will do. This one's really packed. So I'm just going to take, before I do anything else, I'm going to take Beam, and I'm going to stick that right into my inner corner. Just a a little transition, and there we go. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that to the other eye, and then I'm going to do my face, and I will be right back. Okay, so I thought I'd come back and finish up the rest of the look. I've done everything else except for bronzer, contour, etc, etc. So I thought I'd just finish up the rest with you. So I'm going to go in with the Pure Dreamer Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette that I got in this month's BoxyCharm. So let's dip into that bronze shade and just slightly bronze up. There's so much lighting going on in here right now. Okay, so next I'm going to take my contour brush. I think this is a contour brush, and I'm going to contour my cheeks using the Tarteist Pro palette. Someone asked me if bronzing and contouring were the same thing. They really aren't. They're similar, but bronzing is just giving yourself like a glow to your skin. Contouring is chiseling out the natural bone structure, just for those of you who don't know. So next, going into that same cheek palette, I'm going to go into the blush shade, which is Blush and Glow. Tap into it very, very lightly and literally tap off a ton of excess. And just if you can hear noise, I'm sorry, my daughter's watching TV or playing on her tablet or something. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to brush off this bake and the under eye bake that I had going on for a little bit. Better not too clown-like. Next, I'm going to take my highlight brush and dip into Afterglow. I'm going to use this one that I got last year for my birthday from Tarte. I always forget lips. Always, always, always. Okay, now let's try this again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload. And I think that's it. So I will see you guys when I turn 31. Bye, guys.